Diagonals of triangular prism. The figure shows a right-angled triangular prism ABCDEF. Given, the sides of the triangle are 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm, and the length of the prism is 10 cm. Find the lengths of the diagonals EB, EC, and BD, and the angle between diagonals EB and EC. Solution. Approach. Using Pythagoras' theorem in triangle BAE, we find EB. Then, applying Pythagoras' theorem in triangle CDE, we can find EC. Applying Pythagoras' theorem in triangle BAD, we can determine BD. Finally, applying the cosine rule in triangle BCE, we can find angle between EB and EC. Let us begin with finding the length of diagonal EB. Consider triangle BAE. It is right-angled triangle at A. AE and AB are known. In this triangle, we apply the Pythagoras theorem to find EB. EB square equals AB square plus AE square. Triangle BAE right-angled at A. Substituting the values, we get or EB square equals 125. Therefore, EB equals 11,18 centimeters. Now, we consider triangle CDE to find the length of diagonal EC. It is right-angled triangle at D. DE and CD are known. Applying Pythagoras' theorem, EC square is equal to CD square plus DE square. Triangle CDE right-angled at D. Substituting the values, we get or EC square is equal to 116. Therefore, EC equals 10,77 centimeters. Now, let us find the length of diagonal BD. It is right-angled at A. AB and AD are known. We apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle BAD to find BD. BD square equals AB square plus AD square. Triangle BAD right-angled at A. Substituting the values, we get or BD square equals 109. Therefore, BD is equal to 10,44 centimeters. Now, to find the angle between the diagonals EB and EC, consider triangle BCE. We can apply the cosine rule to find the required angle BEC. BC square equals EB square plus EC square minus 2 times EB times EC times cos E. Substituting the values, we get rearranging the terms, we get or cos angle BEC equals 0,9634. Taking the inverse function of cosine. Therefore, angle BEC equals 15,55 degrees. Thus, we calculated EB, EC, BD, and the angle between EB and EC.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.